Hello everybody, in this question we are given a curve C with the equation and point P which lies on C and has x coordinate 4. The line L is the tangent and we need to show that the equation of line L is this, and then we need to find the area of this region R. So this is the region. So we need to find the area of this region. So which is bounded by the y-axis curve and the line L and the x-axis. Find the exact area of R. So for the first part where you have the equation of the curve, and we need to find the equation of the line L being a straight line, we need to find the gradient. So when we to find a gradient, we can differentiate this equation with respect to x, and then we can find the gradient. So I'm going to write down this equation one more time. So to work out the answer to part A, I'm going to write y equals 1 over 3x square minus 2 root x plus 3. So now if I differentiate this with respect to x, so dy over dx is equal to 1 over 3 times 2x minus 2 times half times x to the power half minus 1, that's minus half, and plus 3, that is 0, being a constant. So then that is equal to 2 over 3x minus 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so 1 over x root x. That is my that is the gradient of the line L. Now we need to find the gradient at the point when x coordinate is 4. So when x equals 4, the gradient would be 2 over 3 times 4 minus 1 over root 4, that is equal to 8 over 3 minus 1 over 2, and that is 6. 16 minus 3, that is 13 over 6. So that's the gradient. Now we have to find the equation of the line L, but we need to okay, so I can just write the equation. But we don't know the constant, the c. Okay, so equation of L would be y equals 13 over 6x plus c. So we haven't yet found out the coordinates of point P. We just know the x coordinate is 4. We need to find the y coordinate. So to find the y coordinate, I need to put x equals 4. So we put x equals 4 in the equation of the curve. So that will help us find the y coordinate. Of the point P. So y would be equal to 1 over 3x squared. So that is 1 over 3 times x is 4. So 4 squared. Then minus 2 root 4 plus 3, and that is equal to 16 over 3 minus 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3. That is equal to 16 over 3 minus 1. That is 16 minus 3, so that is 13 over 3. So the coordinates of the point P, I can write P is 4, 13 over 3. Yeah. So now I can find out what C is. If we change the pen color a bit. So therefore we can write 13 over substituting. So we say so the value, substituting the values of x and y in the equation of L. So what we get is 13 over 3 is equal to 13 over 6 times x, so that is 4 plus c. So we get 13 over 3 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, so that is 26 over 3 plus c. So therefore C is equal to 13 minus 26, so that is minus 13 over 3. So hence the equation of line L would be y equals 13 over 6x minus 13 over 3. So if we multiply by 6 throughout, we can say 6y is equal to 13x minus 6 times 13 over 3, so that is 26. So that can be rewritten as 13x minus 6y minus 26 equals 0. And let us check if this is what they have given us. 13x minus 6y minus 26 is 0. 13x minus, yes, that's right. So we got our answer. So part A is done. Now moving on to the B part. So the region R, shown shaded in figure 2, is bounded by the y-axis curve C and the line L and the x-axis. So we need to find the equation of this region R. Now we are of course going to integrate the equation of the curve. However, if we do that, what happens is we get the area of this entire region, because this is 4 and 0. So we will need to find, so we will need to subtract the area of this triangle. So P, if I name this Q and if I name this point as S, so the required area would be the integration within the within 0 to 4. So if I say the required area for the part B, so if I say for the part B, the required area, space, we do. So required area R is equal to, we're going to integrate the 0 to 4 the curve, so that is 1 over 3x squared minus 2 root x plus 3. And then from this now, we need to subtract the area of triangle so this triangle PQS, we need to subtract the area of triangle PQS. Okay, so now to find the area of the triangle PQS, we are doing half times base times height. So the height we know 13 over 3. So we know the height is 13 over 3. Sorry. Now the base, we need to find the coordinates of the point Q. So that would be when y is 0 in the equation of the line L. So we have found out the equation of the line L. So that is this 13x at x at y equals 0, 13x minus 26 is 0, so 13x is 26, x is 2. So hence the point where the line L touches the x-axis, that would be 2, 0. So Q, hence the coordinates of the point Q are 2, 0. So we know the coordinates, so we can find the area of triangle PQS. So let me write it down. Triangle PQS equals half times 2, because 4 minus 2 is 2. So half times 2 times 13 over 3. So half times 2 times 13 over 3, that equals 13 over 3. So this is an important bit. We will be using it once we've done our integration. So now our definite integration, the answer to that, 0 to 4, 1 over 3x squared minus 2 root x plus 3. So that is equal to 1 over 3, then it will be x cubed over 3 minus 2 times x to the power half plus 1, so that is 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus 3x, and that is 0 to 4. So then this is equal to, we can write this as, simplifying it, x cubed over 9 minus, so this 2 in the denominator, 3 over 2, the 2 goes up to numerators, that will be 4 over 3 times x to the power 3 over 2 plus 3x, 0 to 4. So that is equal to 4 cubed over 9 minus 4 over 3 times 4 to the power 3 over 2 plus 3 times 4. So that is equal to minus 0, so that is going to give us 0. All of the terms are 0 since they all have x. So then this is equal to 4 times 4, 16 times 4 is 64 over 9 minus 4 over 3 times 2 square times 3 over 2 plus 12. That is 64 over 9 minus, so these two get cancelled. So it's 4 times 2 to the power 8. Sorry, 2 cubed, 2 to the power 3. So that's 8 divided by 3 plus 12. So then this would give us, finish it here. So that is equal to 64 over 9 minus 32 over 3 plus 12. And that would be 64 minus 32 times 3. So 96 plus 12 times 9, that's 108. So if I did I got 76, that is 76 over 9. But that is only the result of this integration. Hence the area of region R would be 76 over 9 minus the area of the triangle, that is 13 over 3. And that is equal to 9. So 76 minus 13 times 3 is 39. And that is equal to 37 over 9. And that is the answer.